You wouldn't have that problem with a V8.
Boys, all they care about is who's got the biggest engine.
Neela, right?
Who's the tourist?
Oi! He was just leaving. 誰だおめえ。
迷子か Understand that? 外人
Takashi.
What does that mean exactly?
means turn around. Keep walking.
That's exactly what we're gonna do. Come on, man, let's roll.
Yo, look, man, he's got closer. You know who I am, boy?
Yeah. You like the Justin Timberlake of Japan, right?
Look, sorry, DK son. Monkey didn't have his banana today.